Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit a radio button in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. And see this is my radio button and I'll edit this radio button. Now select form option and here you will find this select option. You click on this down arrow and select annotation and drag your mouse or select your radio button. You can increase decrease this radio button or you can move anywhere and press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box and properties dialog box. This is the red option. You can say radio button name, tooltip, prompt visible. You can make it red only, also you can rotate. And this is app erase option. Here you can change radio button fill color and this is border color and this radio button color you can change it if you want and see this. And this is option. You can say this symbol. You can make it cross symbol and see this diamond. You can make it square and so on. And make it default circle and select close. And finally select this file option, save or save as a radio button. And see this. In this way you can edit a radio button on a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.